Silver Alert. This Silver Alert is being transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Highway Patrol and North Dakota BCI. Beverly Ann Battagler of Hunter, North Dakota is a 69-year-old white female. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 200 pounds, and has brown-gray medium-length hair and blue eyes. Her last known whereabouts was on April 20, 2022 between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. in Hunter, North Dakota. She is believed to be driving a white 2005 Dodge Caravan with North Dakota license plate 482AYT. She was last seen wearing a teal winter jacket, black pants, and a navy blue shirt with polka dots on the collar. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact Cass County Sheriff's Department at 701-241-5800. The above Silver Alert information is available by calling 511 and at www.ndresponse.gov/alert.